This is a message to crooked YouTube. Stop running adverts on my channel that does not satisfy your requirements. Just like on YouTube, figure your brain some new food. Hello people, and welcome back to the channel. Today is Sunday, October 3rd, 2021. The time is approximately 20 to 12, but believe it or not, I'm not so long woken up. Usually when I wake up, I lay in bed, scroll social media for a minute, and then get up and take on the day. Today, I've had enough with YouTube. And this message is for YouTube, the platform that I'm actually posting this video on, because I'm actually fed up with YouTube. I've sat by for years. I'm a YouTuber. You know, I talk about Jamaican and political stuff on my channel, and I'm associated with two other channels, one that I share with my wife, Ian and Tina, and the other one is Sabas Food, where my wife mostly contributes her foods and I sometimes cook on the channel. However, I sat by for years and watched YouTube with its crooked self does what it does in a crooked way. But because I am not really a YouTuber for the finances, I sat aside and I just don't say anything. For example, most of my videos that I do on this channel, you know, it's about human rights, about black people, it's about politics, and YouTube often suppress the numbers of views. YouTube often delete comments that are in favor to a righteous cause. And I sit by and just say, hey, it's their platform, let they do what they're doing. But in reality, it's their platform, but it's my content. They have their rules and they have their regulation and they have their do's and don'ts. And I believe in rules and regulations. I believe in rights and wrong. If you sign up to YouTube, there are certain things that you agree to, and there are certain things that you give consent to in order to become a YouTuber and have your channel live. On to the problem at hand. The problem at hand is monetization and advertisation. My channel, ENT Sabas channel, is said to be monetized. However, I don't really make money from YouTube. It's not a problem to me because I love what I do on YouTube. I love to talk, I love politics, and everything that I discuss is what I'm passionate about. So whether YouTube was paying me or not paying me, something that I will still do. But just to make clarity, I probably get 120 US dollars, Swiss francs from YouTube every 4 months. That's no money. YouTube can keep that money. I will still do what I do here on YouTube. However, YouTube has an agreement. The agreement is they will run ads on your channel and you will make money if you're signed up with a partner once you have 1,000 subscribers and more than 4,000 views. That is very clear. So once again, let me say that again. If you have 1,000 subscribers or more, and if you have over 4,000 viewings, you can sign up with any of the available partners and YouTube will pay you and you will start seeing adverts running on your channel. That is crystal clear and that is easy to understand. However, my question is, why is YouTube running adverts on channels, my channels, that do not have 1,000 subscribers? And yeah, why are you running adverts on my channel? Because I'm not getting no money from that, and that's my content. This morning, not only this morning, quite a few weeks ago, I saw an advert run on one of my secondary channel, and I'm wondering, am I seeing right? Maybe it's a mistake. My wife came to me about 2 weeks later and go, I'm sure I saw an advert on our channel recently. And I'm thinking, it can't be, we don't have 1,000 subscribers there. Or that's what YouTube says, we don't have 1,000 subscribers there. Might be a mistake. This morning, went back on our channel to review the last video that we uploaded there, only to sat there and watch more than 2 minutes of an advert running on our channel that YouTube says we've only have over 500 subscribers. I don't really care about the numbers of subscribers. What I care about is the agreement that we sign up to. If you say you have to have over 1,000 subscribers to run adverts on your channel or to monetize your channel, why are you running adverts on our channel that have only over 500 subscribers? I need to know that. It is our content. I read all the sub-clauses before I did this video. And the only way around that is YouTube can run adverts if the content of the video isn't fully yours. If there is something in the video that belongs to a third party, that third party can add advert to your channel, or YouTube can add advert to your channel to that video without your permission. I didn't even have to check, but I did. Checked, double checked, triple checked. All the contents on that channel, all the contents on that video belong to Ian and Tina, belong to us. So I want to know, why is YouTube running advert on our channel? Why is YouTube running adverts on our video that doesn't belong to them? YouTube is a crook, and I've said it on this channel many times. The most that YouTube can do is ban me from this platform. And I could care less. If YouTube believe that I would lose sleep if they ban me from this platform, they're going to learn today, because I will not lose sleep. Social media is not that important to my life. There's a life out. Look, this is real life. I'm only using the social media to project my message and myself. Before YouTube, there usually be books. That's what I used to project my messages through. Published books, literature. YouTube may own YouTube. YouTube might be owned by Google, but Google and YouTube, as big and giant as they are, they do not own the entire internet. There's other ways to present oneself on the internet without using Google and without using YouTube. It's utter disrespect, because the least little thing one of my subscribers write, YouTube mute my subscribers' comments and saying, well, it's in violation of this, it's in violation of that. People extend compliments and YouTube block the comment saying it is in violation of this and it's in violation of that. Listen, YouTube, I love courts. I love clauses. I love agreement. If you monitor my channel, it's something that I've promoted all along. I love rules and regulation. I love contracts. I love agreement, because it doesn't take much for someone to point the finger at another person. But when it comes to agreement, it is easy for me to point to the clause where it is written in black and white that YouTube says or I agree to. Because if we should do anything, if YouTube should do anything out of pocket in this channel, YouTube is ready to sue, YouTube is ready to fine. That door swing two ways. Know that. So this is a message to crooked YouTube. Stop running adverts on my channel that does not satisfy your requirements. Crooks.